Lord Shellfish, you have been charged with treason against the king. How do you plead to these charges?
Guilty.
Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to the hamsters cooking class. Now, I'm going to show you how to take these bad boys here, king prawns. I think they're freshwater king prawns, but we're going to take them and I'm going to show you how to prepare them for, say, a curry, for example. So, first step, take the head, slice. Don't need this, chuck in the bin. Next up, tail, slice in the bin. Now, this is a tricky part, so we want to take the shell off. So the best thing to do is make sure the knife is sharp, take it, slip down the stomach. Again, be careful, it's a bit slippery, so watch your fingers when doing that. Once you've done it, just take the shell, take it all off. Next part, see here, this black line, we like to call it the poo, so we're going to take that out. Some people leave them in, don't know, maybe they enjoy the flavour. I find it disgusting. Look at that, that's just, you know, prawns are bottom feeders, so we don't want to eat all that dirt that they've been chewing on. Bottom side done. Now we take the top side of the prawn, slice. Oh, look at that, took it off in one go. Disgusting. That's it, done. We've butterflied the prawn on both sides. You can chuck that in some salted water. Again, the salt water helps take the smell away from the fishiness of the prawn. Do the next one. So, head, chop. Shell, split, stomach. Sometimes you see this orange gunk. Again, I'm not a prawn expert, so I'm not sure exactly what it is, but you can see it there. Maybe it's the brains? I don't know, what is that? Guts, blood. Give it a little rinse. Slice. And there you have it. All the prawns gutted and cleaned, ready to be cooked. Easy peasy.